Mitosis is a cellular process that results in cell division. It provides for growth, repair, and replacement. In this function, cells are split apart to form two daughter cells that are genetically identical. Mitosis consists of many phases and occurs across the body of an organism. In nature around us, we see the process of mitosis everywhere. For example, in the development of a tree.
First stage of mitosis is interphase, which happens in preparation for mitosis. A cell spends most of its life in interphase, and it is where the DNA begins to be replicated or copied, and it's where the protein synthesis occurs. Inside the nuclear envelope, the chromosomes are still loose chromatin, and they have not yet formed into complete chromosomes.
Prophase is the first official phase of mitosis. Now that the chromosomes have been duplicated, nuclear division is about to occur. During prophase, nucleolus and nuclear envelope weaken so that a spindle begins to assemble as the centrosomes move apart. At this time, the spindle has not fully formed, so the chromosomes have no particular orientation.
During prometaphase, the nuclear envelope begins to break down into separate fragments. Once the envelope is broken, the microtubules from the centrosomes now can attach to the kinetochores of the DNA so that they can begin to separate into the separate sister chromatin.
During metaphase, the centromeres of chromosomes are aligned in the center of the cell. These chromosomes are lined up along the metaphase plate, an imaginary plane. This indicates the future axis of cell division. Before anaphase can begin, the M checkpoint makes sure that the chromosomes are aligned and attached correctly.
In anaphase, the spindle fibers from the centrosomes begin to shrink and pull each duplicated side of the sister chromatid to opposite poles of the cell. When anaphase is completed, each side of the cell will have an identical set of the chromosomes since they each had identical pairs in the beginning.
During telophase, the spindle ends up disappearing and new nuclear envelopes develop around the daughter chromosomes. These daughter nuclei have the same information as the original parent cells. At this point, a nucleolus forms in each daughter nucleus. However, the cells do not fully split yet, as the cytoplasm must divide in cytokinesis first.
Cytokinesis is the final stage of mitosis, and it is where the cell formally divides at the plasma membrane into two separate daughter cells. The daughter cells are identical with the same chromatin and organelles, since everything has been duplicated throughout the process. Once the daughter cells are separate, they each revert back to the beginning stage of interphase, and the process starts over to continue cell growth through mitosis.
As opposed to mitosis, meiosis is a different cellular process that synthesizes gametes. This results in the creation of 4 new sex cells, which are all haploids. During meiosis, the cell undergoes 2 stages of division as opposed to 1 stage like mitosis. This process occurs only in certain organs of organisms instead of throughout the whole body.